My name is Stellah Byakika. I work as a lecturer in the Department of Food Technology and Nutrition at Makerere University. I'm very grateful to be part of this training organized by Access Agriculture together with RUFORUM. The training has been one of the best things that has happened in my career this year. Usually for us when we teach, we tend to look at the old method of using textbooks and all that, but when I found this opportunity, the advert, to actually improve my way of teaching, including a video, I saw it as a golden opportunity. I've been making videos on my own, but they were not at a good level, they were not standard, but I've met experts who have introduced me to blogging. I read a number of blogs, but I didn't really think I would have the expertise or even the knowledge to have my own blog. The draft blog that I made actually impressed me. It's not the best, but I'm so impressed that I've reached that level. And this is something I'm also going to teach my students, because it's not about me, showing them or using the tools, but also empowering them to also be better communicators. I teach undergraduates and postgraduates, masters and PhD students. So this is a way in which they can also share their research, their findings, and be more impactful. I'm a fun person. I like to use video, not just a boring class. So Access Agriculture has really helped with that. When it comes to making the videos, the editing, I was so impressed that we were even given gadgets to start with, because I was thinking, okay, I'm going to take away this knowledge, but how much will it take for me to buy, a camera of that standard? So I'm grateful that we have been given knowledge, but we've also been given a startup gadget, to work with, to go home and you have no excuse, yes, but to start. So I'm so impressed by that. The program has been very rich. It's unfortunate that it's been short, but in that very short time, as people who are experts or professionals, this is what you need to start. We can always empower ourselves and learn much more. I was very impressed by the website, the Access Agriculture website, and how resourceful it is for us people in agriculture. These are materials that we can use in teaching, in training, and even learning. Because as we learn how to make these videos, we can use those on your website as templates to make, much better videos, to know how to edit, to know the angles that we use, how to interview somebody. So for me, this is one of the most grateful things I've had, and it's a good way to end the year. I'm very happy.